Good morning, my dear students, and welcome to today's class. Dear students, I hope that all of you are fit and fine in your homes and you all are taking care of yourself and the people around you. Dear students, this is a very testing time for all of us, and while you are in your homes, I just have one expectation from you. I expect that all of you study regularly and don't miss even a single day of class. Dear students, very soon we'll have our pre-midterm exams. So, in order to prepare for that, you must attend these classes regularly and do your work sincerely. For any other issues, your teachers are there. We are happy to help you. Contact us whenever you want. Now, my dear students, in today's class, once again, we'll be reading the chapter The Sound of Music, Part 1, the story which has been written by Deborah Cowley. Okay, Deborah Cowley has told us this amazing story of Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie listens to music without actually hearing it. Why she cannot hear it? Because वो deaf है, वो कानों से सुन नहीं सकती. Okay, she is deaf, and that's why she is unable to hear music, but she is actually hearing music, and more the reason that we should be surprised. वो लाइफ में कितना कुछ बन सकती थी, है ना? डॉक्टर बन सकती थी, इंजीनियर बन सकती थी. Only one thing she was not supposed to be. What was that? That she was not supposed to be a musician. Deaf थी ना वो. She was not supposed to be a musician, but she became an impressive musician. She got one of the highest scores in the audition of Royal Academy of Music, London. Okay. Moreover, she has mastered over 1,000 musical instruments. That is also a huge achievement, right? And she is a much sought after soloist. Okay, she is in very high demand because of her hard work and her skills. Okay, so Evelyn Glennie, has she given the credit to anyone else? She has not given the credit to anybody else. She has not taken the credit herself. उसने खुद भी credit नहीं लिया. उसने खुद भी ये नहीं कहा कि मैंने कोई heroic achievement करी है, मैंने कोई बहुत बड़ी achievement करी है. No, उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं कहा. What she has said that if you know where you are going and you work hard, then definitely you will reach there. Means अगर आप हार्ड वर्क करोगे और आपको पता है आपका गोल क्या है, आपका एम क्या है, तो आप डेफिनेटली उस गोल को अचीव करोगे. That's what she has told us. So now, my dear students, let's read forward and find out what's there in Evelyn's story. All of you, please open page number 18 of your book, and we'll be starting with paragraph number 6. Yesterday we had completed the first 5 paragraphs. Now we'll be starting the 6th paragraph. Okay? It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. Intriguing means, the meaning is curious, fascinating. बहुत ही एक देख के सरप्राइज होता है ना, क्योंकि she is not supposed to listen. वो डेफ है, उसे नहीं सुनना चाहिए, बट उसे सुन रहा है. It's quite intriguing. Dear students, please take care of the pronunciation of these words, because this year for 20 marks you'll also have your ASL, assessment of speaking and listening. So for that, all the words which are there in your NCERT book, you must know them. Okay, both the books I'm talking about, Beehive, which is your main course book, and Moments also, which is your supplementary reader. You should be able to speak all these words properly. Okay, Moving on. In our 2 hour discussion, she never missed a word. Men with bushy beards give me trouble. She laughed. So when she was discussing this with Deborah Cowley, okay, ये discussion किसके साथ हो रहा है उसका? Deborah Cowley के साथ हो रहा है. Deborah Cowley says that she didn't miss a word. उसे सारे words clearly समझ आ रहे थे. Why? Because she didn't have a bushy beard. Okay, उसे किससे प्रॉब्लम होती है? जिनकी बहुत बड़ी बुश जैसी बियर्ड होती है, बड़ी बड़ी बियर्ड होती है, ओके, उनसे उसे प्रॉब्लम आती है. It is not just watching the lips, it's the whole face, especially the eyes. Now, what is she saying? How she is understanding other people? By watching the whole face. वो पूरा face देखती है, okay? Especially the eyes. Eyes को बिल्कुल ज्यादा ध्यान से देखती है. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी eyes communicate करती है. Our eyes communicate our emotions, okay? If you are angry and your eyes are full of anger for someone, it will be visible. Okay? She speaks flawlessly with a Scottish lilt. So जो वो बोलती है, जो उसका बोलने का तरीका है, she speaks flawlessly. Flawlessly means without any error. Okay? बिना किसी mistake के she speaks absolutely clearly. उसकी जो speech है वो बिल्कुल clear है. And she speaks with a Scottish lilt. Lilt here means a way of speaking. Accent भी जिसे हम कहते हैं. Okay? So उसका accent था Scottish. Okay? क्योंकि वो स्कॉटलैंड से ही belong करती हैं. कल हमने read किया था. She came from Scottish farms. Okay? My speech is clear because I could hear till I was 11. So that's the reason, okay? Because she could hear, so her speech is clear. She says, but that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. So she has explained that because till 11 I could hear, my speech is clear. But now Deborah is wondering, okay, वो सोच रही है Deborah कि how she learned French and Japanese, basic Japanese, okay? So ये अब उसके लिए question है. कैसे उसने learn करी होगी? The simple answer is through her hard work and determination. Because we have noticed that Evelyn, she works really hard when she wants to learn something, right? As for music, she explains. Now, अब ये important part है कि now she is going to explain कि music उसने कैसे learn किया है. It pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. So वो कह रही कि म्यूजिक को वो एब्जॉर्ब करती है. It pours in through every part of her body. वो पूरी जो उसकी बॉडी है, उस पूरी बॉडी के ऊपर उसको म्यूजिक फील होता है. Okay? It tingles. Tingles means a sensation. उसे एक sensation experience होती है. कहाँ पर? In the skin, जो उसकी skin है. Okay? जैसे उसका आर्म हो गए, जहाँ पे भी skin है. Her cheekbones. These are your cheekbones. Okay? And even in my hair, even in the hair on the top of her head, she is able to experience music. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. So see, वही slight vibrations, ये जो small vibrations होती है, वही सारी experience करती है. जब वो xylophone play कर रही होती है, then xylophone में क्या होता है? दो एक you can assume xylophone ऐसा ही होता है जैसे एक पियानो होता है, लेकिन उसमें नोट्स प्ले करने के लिए आपके हैंड्स में दो स्टिक्स दी जाती हैं. ओके, तो वो स्टिक्स से उसे जब प्ले करती है तो उन स्टिक्स के थ्रू ही वो वाइब्रेशंस को फील कर लेती है. ओके, बाय लीनिंग अगेंस्ट द ड्रम्स शी कैन फील द रेजोनेंसेस फ्लोइंग इनटू हर बॉडी. अब वो ड्रम्स को कैसे फील करती है? बाय लीनिंग अगेंस्ट देम. लीन हो जाना मींस किसी चीज पे सपोर्ट ले लेना. सी लाइक राइट नाउ आई एम लीनिंग अगेंस्ट द वॉल. मैं अभी लीन कर रहा हूं वॉल के अगेंस्ट. So she feels the resonances. What are the resonances? Echoes of sounds. जैसे you might have experienced, जब आप ड्रम में तो बहुत ज्यादा extreme vibrations होती हैं. So if you would go close to a drum, you would be able to feel those vibrations. Okay. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. अब वो कैसे एक्सपीरियंस करती है वुडन प्लेटफॉर्म पे? She removes her shoes and vibrations they pass through her bare feet. Bare feet means जिन पे कोई भी कवरिंग नहीं होती एक्स्ट्रा की, लाइक सॉक्स या शूज नहीं होते. एंड अप हर लेग्स. सो अगेन वो फील करती है ये सारी रेजोनेंसेस. ओके, these resonances, these echoes of sounds, they are all felt by Evelyn. Okay, this is a simple line. You must remember this because this line is gonna come handy in a lot of answers. Okay. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. So Evelyn delights her audience. Delights means she makes her audience enjoy a lot, okay, by her performances. And she also got the prestigious, okay, very well known and well respected award, Soloist of the Year award by Royal Philharmonic Society. This is a very important achievement of her career. One achievement was getting the highest score in the Royal Academy of Music London. This is another achievement. Please keep this in mind. Says master percussionist James Blade. So अब जेम्स ब्लेड्स एक और मास्टर परकशनिस्ट है. परकशनिस्ट कौन होता है? Who plays drums. Okay, जो ड्रम्स प्ले करता है. God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. So now he's saying something very important, that God has taken something from her. And what is that? Her hearing. And what God has given her back? Something extraordinary. Okay, extraordinary means कुछ special दिया है उसे. What's that? What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. So James Blades, he has said that she expresses music so beautifully because of one single reason. What happens when music is played for a normal person? You hear it through your ears and you enjoy it. But what happens every time Evelyn hears music? Every time Evelyn hears music, she feels it. Okay? Every time Evelyn hears music, she feels it. Okay? उसको पूरी बॉडी में फील होता है. अगर वो फील करेगी तभी तो म्यूजिक इंटरप्रेट कर पाएगी, है ना? अदरवाइज तो वो नहीं कर पाएगी. एंड दैट्स द रीजन शी इज फीलिंग म्यूजिक एवरी टाइम. ओके, एंड दैट इज व्हाई शी इज एक्सप्रेसिंग म्यूजिक सो ब्यूटिफुली. ओके, मूविंग ऑन. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic means a person who likes to work. So Evelyn, she is a workaholic. I have just got to work, often harder than classical musicians. She says she has to work very hard, harder than. अब वो comparison कर रही है. Than और then का error नहीं होना चाहिए. मैंने कल भी बताया था, than होता है जब हम comparison कर रहे होते हैं, then होता है फिर किसी के बाद. ओके, often harder than classical musicians. अब obviously उसे दूसरे musician से ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है because she is deaf. But the rewards are enormous. Enormous means very huge, very large. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. So Evelyn जो है वो regular concerts भी करती है and she is giving free concerts where? In prisons you all know, jails and hospitals. Okay, She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians. अब वो young musicians के लिए भी जो classes होती हैं उनके लिए भी बहुत hard work करती है. And Richland of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. अब ये statement बहुत important है. Okay, you must remember this. And Richelin of Beethoven Fund. Okay, Beethoven, who was he? He was a great musician. You might have heard Beethoven's Symphony 1, 2. It is said that they make children smart. Not verified, but ऐसा कहते हैं. So, Beethoven के नाम पे जो fund चल रहा है, जिससे deaf children के लिए जो work हो रहा है, and Richelin of that fund, he says that she is a shining inspiration for deaf children. अब वो shining inspiration है, okay? Why she's? They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. उसने prove करके दिखाया कि deaf children can also achieve anything in life. They can be whatever they want to be in their life. That's why she's a shining inspiration. उसने अचीव करके दिखाया. किसने? एवलिन ने. ओके, एवलिन सिर्फ म्यूजिशियन ही नहीं बन सकती थी, और उसने क्या किया? उसने म्यूजिशियन बन के दिखाया. डेफ लोगों के सामने सुनने का ही चैलेंज आता है, और उसने उसी चैलेंज को ओवरकम किया. एंड दैट्स व्हाई द डेफ चिल्ड्रन दे सी दैट देयर इज नोवेयर दे कैन नॉट गो. ओके, डेफ चिल्ड्रन जो बनना चाहे वो बन सकते हैं. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. Accomplished means achieved. Evelyn Glennie has achieved twice more than most people twice her age. जो उससे डबल एज के लोग हैं, जितना वो अचीव करते हैं उससे ज्यादा अचीव कर लिया. Right? She is an inspiration. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated that it can be very moving. सो ऑर्केस्ट्रा जो ग्रुप होता है उसमें बहुत सारे म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट होते हैं. फ्लूट होती है, वायलिन्स होते हैं, पियानो होता है, बट वो किसको फ्रंट में लेके आई है? परकशन को, ड्रम्स को फ्रंट में लेके आई है. एंड शी हैज शोन दैट इट कैन बी वेरी मूविंग. वेरी मूविंग मीन्स उससे बहुत ज्यादा इमोशंस फील हो सकते हैं, इनसे बहुत कुछ फील हो सकता है. ओके, उसने ये दिखाया है. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped people who look at her and say, if she can do it, I can. So उसने बहुत क्लियरली दिखाया कि जो लोग भी उनको कोई भी हैंडीकैप है, दे कैन, उनमें कोई भी डिसेबिलिटी है, then they cannot win over that disability. Okay, and if she can do it, I can. Okay, लोगों के मन में ये इंस्पिरेशन आती है इस एवलिन को देखकर. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to millions. So, minimum उसकी क्या अचीवमेंट है? That she has minimum lowest achievement जो है, that she has given enormous pleasure to millions. At the least हम करते हैं lowest बताने के लिए. Okay, so उसकी lowest achievement क्या है? That she has given enormous pleasure to millions. बहुत सारे लोगों को उसने feel good कराया, millions को उसने feel good कराया. Okay, so dear students, we have completed the reading of this chapter, and now if you have any doubts about this chapter, you can ask from me in the Kaizala group. Okay, so dear students, that's it for today, and remember, raise your hand if you don't understand. Please ask if you have any doubts. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, class. Have a great day ahead.